What's up everybody? We're gonna go over all-in-one profits. As you can see, this banner displays the actual product. So in this video we're not gonna spend too much time going over the product. You get premium hosting, a pro autoresponder, web tools, advertising, and more tools to help you build a successful online business. We're going to take a look, and you see this is what you get on a basic level. So go ahead and pause this video if you want to see exactly what you get. Now, when you're a member of All-in-One Profits, you can earn 100% commission providing this set of tools to other people. You earn $10 per month per member you refer to All-in-One Profits. So we're gonna go over to All App, and we'll get over, how to reach a goal you set for yourself inside of All-in-One Profits financially, meaning how to make $500 a month. So let's go ahead and get to that. So have a look at this number line and let it represent your all-in-one profits business. So there's a sequence A, B, and that sequence repeats and repeats and repeats and repeats. Another way to know the secret is is odd number, even number. The members you refer that are odd numbers, you earn $10 per month for. B of the sequence, your second person that are even numbers, this passes up to your sponsor. So real quick, when you get started in the all-in-one profits business, you become a sponsor. When you refer your first member, you earn $10 a month. Now this person, they follow the same compensation structure as you, which is this right here, A, B, A, B, A, B. Every time they refer an even number or B, the sequence restarts. Their second referral to all-in-one profits gets passed up to you. You earn $10 a month every business partner passed up to you. You pass up every even number business member. So let's go ahead and the secret sequence is simple. It's 1 2 1 2. It just repeats infinitely. So let's take a look at the next 30 days. So over the next 30 days, if you do one referral per day, which we show you how to do this, it's all about getting eyeballs to this presentation. You'll have $150 a month in residual income, plus you've passed up $150 a month in residual income to your sponsor. Now, imagine everyone on your team follows the plan and does one referral a day. So we could take this number right here, 15 or 150, right, and divide this number by 10. This is 15 team members. If they each follow this plan and pass their sponsor 150 per month, just these 15 people alone, you would take 150 and multiply it by 15, and this would equal your pass up income from your team members per month plus your already 150 per month. This is extremely conservative. One referral a day to a product that costs $11.50, which costs roughly 1 hour of time per month. 2 hours minimum, 2 hours maximum of time per month to be able to afford this investment. So it's fairly conservative. Now if you take 150 times 15, you get $22.50 plus the 150. That's basically $2,400 per month. in income that you only invest $11.50 month after month to maintain. So go ahead and review the rest of the information on this website. If you're watching this on YouTube, click below in the description for a link that brings you over to the website where we'll go over the product and the plan to help you make one referral per day and duplicate. My name's Dre Hall. I'll see you guys on the next video.